Vainmal's here.
I'm from America.
And I'm from Romania.
And we're not in a long-distance relationship anymore.
How did that happen?
Well, we won the World Travel Hacking Contest with Kiwi.com and Visa. And we're going to be traveling the world for 4 weeks, and we're going to see 6 countries.
Traveling on a budget, we always try to find the best deals using Kiwi.com. Their app is very user-friendly, and it makes the whole process of buying plane tickets way easier and shorter than we thought.
We get 10,000 euros for this trip, but our main plan is to save as much money as possible. Being more specific, we want to visit 3 countries in Europe and 3 countries in Southeast Asia. We thought that 3,000 euros for all the plane tickets for both of us would be a good deal.
In reality, we already bought 4 out of 6 tickets, and we only spent 1,600 euros so far. How did we do that?
Well, the countries we want to visit in Europe are Greece, Italy, and Albania. We found these more than affordable tickets to Corfu, where we already spent a few memorable days.
A video with us spending only 30 euros per person for a whole day there is coming soon.
For the next countries, we used the Nomad feature from Kiwi.com, which helped us find the best possible deals. After Italy and Albania, we want to go to Singapore.
The rest of the trip is a mystery for us too. We'll try to be as spontaneous as possible, so keep an eye on us and subscribe to Kiwi.com to see where we'll actually end up.
When we book hotels, we make sure that we find the cheap places, even if it means not to sleep in the main tourist attractions.
For example, in Italy, we slept 40 minutes away from Milano, but the owner of the place helped us a lot with information about how we can actually get to the city and what we can do there.
Also, we try to find accommodation where we cook our own food and wash our own clothes, so that every little bit helps and it saves us a lot of money.
Thanks for watching!
No, wait, we forgot to tell them about our packing hacks.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, I know. First of all, we travel with just 1 backpack each, so we won't pay for another luggage that we have to check in the airport. Also, we always make sure that we wear as many clothes as possible in the airport so we can fill our bags with the most important items.
Last but not least, the ultimate hack for us is to use the extra space in the plane pillow to put a rain jacket in. Better safe than sorry!
Keep watching our travels!
Peace and love!
Bye.